We're looking at the AMAZTIM smartwatch. It has a 60-day extra long battery. It's 50M waterproof, rugged, military, Bluetooth, call, answer dials and calls, fitness tracker with the 1.85-inch ultra-large HD display with AI voice assistance, 24H sleep monitor. We have an instruction guide that will come in a number of languages. It'll get you started on using your smartwatch. The smartwatch comes black on black with orange and red around the edging. You need to install your unit. You're going to put the bands on, not that hard to do. You have the smartwatch, which is very large, as you can see. Don't forget to peel the stickers off and scan things. This has a nice base with the USB charging port. We're going to plug in for the first time and charge our unit. Don't forget to take the rubber insert out, the foam insert. It has a number 1 and number 2. It has a screen protector that is given to you so you can protect your front screen. With the dedicated charging port, you're simply going to look for the 2 pins, match like for like up. Magnetic, it snaps on. When this is fully charged, we will come back and set the watch up. Tempered glass is very easy to install. You have this little sticker. Basically what it does, it takes off any of the dust that's on there. You take wipe number 1. It's alcohol. Allow to dry. With the unit, you're going to peel the back off only. You're going to gently place over. With the cloth that they've given you, you can simply press down. And number 2, you're going to open up. Congratulations, you put your tempered glass on. That's simple. By taking off the strap, and on here there is a little area of interest that you're going to pull back and lock into place. We're going to slide on the best we can. Big hands trying to show the camera, please forgive me. Give a little tug and we're on, and repeat for the other side. And that's it. And now you're able to wear your strap. Remember to pull the sticker off in the back of the camera, the smartwatch, the device. This is your power. This is your back button. This is the sport button. These are just icons on the unit. If you long press on the power button, it should shut the unit off. Your short pressure should turn it on. Long press. We start up in English. We have a QR to scan with our smartphone, and it downloads an application that we need to install to get further information of the product. I won't be able to go through every single detail of the application. I'll be able to just briefly show you some things and head on outside and get you with some of the ways this smartwatch can work. It wants to access my Bluetooth, and the first thing we need to do is register. You have 60 full seconds to do your registration when you hit the get. It's going to ask me for my height in centimeters. I do things in English. It's going to ask me for my weight, so I'm not sure what metric is. And it's going to ask me for my age. And it's going to ask me for my world health goal. It's going to ask me to follow along in some tips, and we're all set up in getting our unit working. I'm going to go to sleep, and I got steps. My goal is 8,000. We have to please connect our device, and we're going to connect our device. That's the first thing we need to do, known as Tank M2. Taken us 2 tries, and the second try right away it connected. So we have our steps, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen, and on the bottom you can see we could turn things on and off. And we are going to swipe in different ways. We could sync it up by swiping down, go to the sport area, and it could measure our heart rate, give us our goal, and go on the go. We could outdoor run, cycle, swim, badminton, tennis, mountain hell, walking, basketball, football, volleyball, cricket, rugby, hockey, spinning, yoga, sit-ups, indoor running, boating, jumping jacks, free training, indoor running, strength training, horse riding, elliptical machine, boxing, outdoor walking, and a whole lot more. There's a lot in here, as you can see, and it just continues on and on and on to marathon. If I hit the plus, I got all these to add in, delete, and do what I want. I have an optional exercise if I wanted to add in. So we go to the settings. We have a broadcast frequency, distance, duration, speed, heart rate alert, and then we hit the play button. We go to device, we have watch faces. Oh man, I love watch faces. No dial, please refresh the current page. We have pointer, space, number. I like the first one. We have sports, we have mechanical, and all these things. I like this one here, mechanical, synchronized dial. And man, look at that. Right there, it's synchronizing, as you can see. We're almost done. It took about a minute's time, and we got our dial, as you can see. We back out. We have my dial. We have a custom dial, so I could customize it, as you can see. We have Bluetooth call, heart rate setting, blood oxygen, phone, SMS, app, Sendatory reminder, light up, SOS contact, more settings, firmware, and to reset the device, and unpair. Remote photography, and you can select your photos, allow access to all photos, to the camera, so this way it could do what it needs to do. Let's cancel out. Find my device and the units. I like my units to be in pounds, foot by miles, and Fahrenheit. I have my profile. It tells me I could change my name, profile, my goals, my weekly, my training, mail, forums, and so forth. Power back sport. I hit the power button. If I swipe in different directions, you can see things come on. I can make a phone call. I can have this little square. I can have it on all day on, scheduled to do not disturb. Hit the back button. I have here is a brightness. I like it to be bright so I can see it outside, and that will consume more power. If I swipe to the next screen, I apologize. I have here is a ringing. Hit the back button. I have my battery life, show you when it's low. And I have a cog that gets me through more settings, watch face and themes. Watch face, I want the original or different ones that they have I could choose. I like this face, it kind of says it all right there. It looks like a smartwatch. I hit the back button. When I turn it on, it opens up to that theme. my daily activities, I go to the sport and I want to look for walking. And I'm going to start my walking. So let me go outside and get some walking done. Hit the plus. Bring anything in here, and hit the save. And you only have these 8 and all these down here, not on. If you want to bring one up, you simply hit it, hit save, and it goes to the watch. Let's go walking. Let's do some sit-ups, jumping jacks outdoor, taekwondo, street dancing, and so forth. Shake your hand, hit the side button that says sport, walking. 3, 2, 1, go for a walk. And if I look down here, it gives me more information. And I could look at other things here. I could take a photo with my camera. There's a lot you can do with this product. And I can't go over every single detail of it because there's a lot in this smart watch. It does a great job. It gets the job done. It's great for exercises. You like to do all those sports. Man, it's got a lot in there. This is the smart watch. It's a wonderful product. It gets the job done. It comes in a number of colors. For further detail, check online. I hope you enjoy your product. If this smart watch is right for you.